Mac Miller and Kaytranada tragically never got to release music together, even though they're rumoured to have quite a few tracks locked away in the vault somewhere. As two of my favourite artists, I've always been curious about what they would have sounded like on a record together, and what influences they would have brought to the table. So today, I thought, why not? Let's just do it. I'm going to use some influences from Mac, some influences from Kaytranada, add a little bit of my own spice to it, and see what comes out at the end. Right, the trick to these kick patterns having some actual feeling, like, you know, something that makes your head move more than just a duh, is to humanize them off the grid. So let's humanize them a little bit, and then zoom in. Look, off the grid, these are on, these are off, and gives it a little bit more variation that makes it much more appealing to listen to. Kind of fancy starting with this clap. Humanize these as well. It's giving us some interest. Let's put this on the fours. Now we need to get some more interest in the kick pattern. Let's try getting a hi-hat in. I'm liking that. Now I might play in this as like an accent kind of thing. Alright, that's alright, that's alright. I want to move more of these onto the 16th so they're more offbeat though. Okay, I'm liking those hats, but I think maybe they sound cooler if it's like a different type of perk sound. Yeah, I want more afro style percussion to add, like, I want to get more deep into the groove. This is going to be a vibe. I can already tell this is going to be cool. Cool. Kind of almost it becomes like a fill at the end there with that little extra hit. Alright, we've got a nice groove with some perks going. Definitely need some processing. Cool, we've added a few effects to this drum bus. Let's take a listen to those. Without. With. Adding that nice grit, drive. That's what we want from this. We want to feel the groove. Added a bit of room in as well. Let's hear that. Yeah, nice. Alright, just played around with the tempo a little bit. I've slowed it down from 124 to 116. Just, I don't know, I felt like a slower groove kind of fit a little bit more. Very cool. Alright, synth chords next up. Let's get it. Let's try recording this on a Rhodes to get that progression down. Cool, and then we can have a little line in here going down. Yeah, that will be really cool if it's done right. I think this might have to come back to here. Chords for anyone interested? F sharp minor 7, D sharp minor 7, E major 7, A. Easy. Lovely chords. Right, I want to get this little run onto a second instrument. So, I wonder what that's like played on a Juno. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay. Right, in terms of effects on the Rhodes, we've got some nice stuff going on here. Just a little bit of needlepoint, making it nice and lo-fi, as well as a bit of EQ, just boosting some high mids, cutting some low mids. Let's hear that. Roughing it up a little bit, really, which is really nice. Definitely a vibe. A little bit more processing on this Rhodes. We've got a movement here, as well as this phase mistress. Let's listen to what that's doing. Oh, that is so nice. Right, okay, incredible. I'm loving that. I want to do more synth layers, but I think I'm going to get a bass in there first to just build it out. Then we'll add some more synth layers. I really want to add some, like, I don't know, some strings or horns or something that gets that influence from like Max later music as well. Would be super cool. That is nice. That is so nice. Give this a little bit of guidance. Now we need to get a little sidechain going, in my opinion. I want to sidechain basically everything except the drums. Chain here. That's sounding really good. With this bass, I just want to mono the low frequencies a bit more. So we'll do a low pass here, and then just make this only active on the sides. Just EQ'd that kick to get it sitting a little bit better. Oh, that's sounding nice. Right, let's try a pad on the Prophet. Just got this little ARP with the Prophet in here, doing slightly different inversions, but it sounds like this. Now, I think it would be cool if this was really jolty in rhythm and had like a pocket more. So I basically just cut out loads of bits to give this like a different rhythm. Make it a bit glitchy. Let's hear that. Oh, cool. I'm loving that sort of thing. I'm hearing strings on this. I'm hearing strings on this for sure. Start with the violin. Oh, that's cool. And the last bit, we're gonna get in a viola, I think, as well. I'm loving these strings. They're so hard. Okay, got a cool little viola line. Let's record that in. That's cool. One more violin, playing the same thing as the other violin, an octave down. Oh, those strings are beautiful. Now, I have a very sneaky idea. I think this could be unbelievably nice. I'm going to try those strings as if they were the intro, and then it drops into the beat from there. That could be crazy. Let's move this all along here. And I think let's get a piano to go underneath the strings, just outlining the chords. And we'll just try and see how that drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost good enough. Bit late on that. All right, just processed up these strings a fair bit. We have a bit of filtering, some variable compression, a little bit of saturation. My favorite plugin, Spaced Out. Please sponsor me, Baby Audio. A bit of unfiltered audio needlepoint as well. And without effects, it sounds like this. And with, just a vibe. All right, let's treat this piano up the same way. Beautiful. Let's get some ambience on there. And we're also going to have a little filter in the intro. All right. Oh, that beat is unreal. Right, here we go. Mac Miller, Kaytranada. If they had a love child of music or something, this is what it might sound like. Let's go. So beautiful. And it's about to get so dirty. Oh, that is crazy. Cannot help but put your hands up to that. Jeez. Oh, unbelievable. See you in the next one. Peace.